Hi everybody, thanks for being here with me today. Maudie with MU Can Garden. I wanted to do a quick video today about marigolds and how to harvest marigold seeds to kind of save money for next season, or if you still have time this season to plant them. You don't have to go out to the store and buy new ones, and you don't have to order seeds or anything like that. Over the last few days and over this last weekend, I'm out here in my yard and kind of coming across some flowers that are starting to look a little spent, like this one here. So what you'd want to do is just go ahead and snip that off. And it's called deadheading. You're taking off the dead, spent flowers here. And we just come on down here and you can do the same thing. Now you can go through and clear out all the spent flowers in your flower beds, containers, whatever you'd like to do. And let me show you what I've actually done here. I've been kind of saving them up from the ones that I did the other morning when I was out in my yard. And what I did was I kind of put them on this little tray here and just let them dry out with the weather. So you take your flower heads here, go with this one here, and if you take this dried head, and this is where the flower was, and if you just pull the stalk away from it here, look what you have. Marigold seeds. Now you plant these, voila, you have new flowers. Okay, so don't go out buying any marigold seeds when you have them out there in your yard. Now you can only imagine how many hundreds of seeds I have in just this pile alone. So what you do, keep them nice and dry and put them in a Ziploc bag or an envelope or whatever works for you to keep them safe, and you have them for next season. All right. When we get around with petunias and other things through the yard, we'll certainly make videos, but I wanted to make a short video today on marigold deadheading and seed harvesting. All right, everybody, thank you so much for being here with me today. If you have not hit that like, please do so. Please don't forget to subscribe. That way you never miss a video. All right, thanks for hanging out with me today. I'll catch you on the next video.